Here's a 2018 Audi Q3. This Audi Q3 is perfect for going downtown or getting out of town. It's a nimble, compact crossover with the moves to get through congested streets and highways with ease. It's well equipped with the features you need: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, wireless phone connectivity, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book finds in addition to the image boost an Audi immediately grants, you'll be treated to a refined ride quality, sophisticated design, and premium amenities. When you drive an Audi, the design and the performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.